The way that Oryx was able to capture all of the data that we needed, it became a no-brainer for us to transition into a software like that because it's cloud-based, which offered us a lot of opportunities to get rid of a server, cut down costs, and I saw the power of that software and what it could do to transform the practice and how we acquired the data. From a patient input standpoint, when they sign up as a new patient, they have to fill out their medical and dental history. All of that stuff is just extra paper, creates extra work for everybody. And if you just had it on a digital device that you can just give to a patient, have them sign, and then it goes up to the cloud, attaches to the software seamlessly, that's really what we wanted, was just to be able to take out a lot of the extraneous stuff and focus on just the clinical stuff.
I have recommended Oryx to many of my specialty friends who are either just tired of maintaining a server-based software or are just not very efficient with their existing cloud-based software. They are always in their office figuring out their patient management software, whereas I'm home spending time with my kids because I don't need to do all the stuff that they have to do. Oryx
By dentists
for dentistry.